Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today's video is going to be about Gru and about how I don't think he's really as clever as he seems. You see, Gru seems very clever, but I have reason to believe he has no brain at all, or a very minimal, small brain. Okay, so now I'm going to present a picture of a normal human being. Now, as you can see from the photo, they have a forehead. Now, this creates a good few inches at the top of the head where the large proportion of the brain resides. Now, without this, the brain would be limited to a very small section of the brain and would have very limited functionality and extreme disability. Now, if we look at Gru, we see that his head ends above his eyes. He has no forehead, which indicates that Gru has very little brain. Now, as you can see by this diagram, only about the cerebellum and the brainstem would remain without the top of this brain, which would leave Gru with little more than the ability to survive, as all he really has control over then is the ability to breathe and control those involuntary functions. This would leave Gru barely being or not being able to speak, let alone be what could be considered as a genius. Now, a picture shown is a picture of a person born without this part of the brain. Now, if you look at them, they do bear a striking resemblance to Gru. Now, I think the only explanation is that Gru is surviving off pure random chance and just random firing from neurons to simulate what appears to be a clever and functioning person, but I think this would require almost impossible odds. So I feel like the next Gru film we see is just going to be Gru spasming on the floor without any ability to do anything, and he's probably going to be going to hospital. So I mean, there's a spoiler for the next Gru film. It's been an incredibly small chance, like I'm talking like 0.00 whatever percent chance that he's been able to even display a few words without showing his true lack of brain. So there's your spoiler for the next Gru movie. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. In fact, before I end this video, as a last minute note, I'd just like to say that using this image and the official fact that a minion is on average around 105 centimeters tall, we can work out that Gru is 3.36 meters tall, considerably taller than the tallest person ever on our real planet, who's Robert Wadlow, who's only 270 centimeters tall, around 60 centimeters shorter, and he died at the age of 22 due to health problems related with his height. So it's also a great miracle that Gru has even lived to this age due to his body not being able to support his own weight. So we'll also be seeing him on crutches in the next movie, barely able to walk, probably in a wheelchair. So there's another spoiler. Now,